Good morning, listeners. I am Dr. Ajay Singh from Department of Food Technology, Mata Gujri College, Fatehgarh Sahib, Punjab. As per our ongoing lecture series on food biochemistry, let's start with another topic, that is vitamins. Let's come on to the today's topic, that is vitamins, that comes in food biochemistry part. So as you all know about the vitamins, they are broadly classified into two categories, that is fat soluble vitamins and water soluble category. Among fat soluble vitamins, we have vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Among the water soluble category, B complex vitamins are there and vitamin C is there. So let's come on to the category, that is vitamin A. Vitamin A is one of the fat soluble vitamins that is also known as retinol because it is derived from the alcoholic category, alpha and beta as a precursor, where only beta is involved in its synthesis to yield two molecules of vitamin A. One beta carotene synthesizes or produces two retinols. Okay, that is stored and synthesized in the liver. Retinol in along with one of the pigment by the name opsin, which is proteinaceous in nature, that compiled rhodopsin, that is best for the vision options. Its deficiency goes to improper growth, night blindness, and xerophthalmia issues. This is one of the least stable vitamin, and thus proper storage and non-oxidizable forms are necessary for its optimum utilization. Its sources includes fish oils, carrot, green leafy vegetables. This is one of the second least stable vitamin. As per its structure is there, that is in total 30 carbon chain structure which break up into two 15 carbonic half structures. This is the main reason from its precursor, that is beta carotene, releases two molecules of retinol. Most commonly, the genetically modified food, golden rice, it contains the higher doses of vitamin A, and that is around 23 times more carotene. Now, the second fat soluble vitamin is vitamin D, commonly known as calciferol. Calciferol or vitamin D furtherly categorized as D2 and D3 forms, wherein D2 is known as ergocalciferol and D3 is known as cholecalciferol as a common English name. D2 ergocalciferol generally synthesized among the plants, D3 that is cholecalciferol among the humans, known as its association with the absorption of calcium. The calcium absorption is fully dependent on the availability of vitamin D that could be obtained from the sunlight as a free and natural source. Otherwise, we have some of the fortified food products like vitamin A, like milk and many others, wherein fortification of vitamin D is already been done with the help of UV rays. This vitamin activated by UV radiation among plants and animals. D3 primarily used as precursor for calcium regulation. Its deficiency generally lead to the osteoporosis and weakening of bones. Rickets is an example. Rickets can be caused by lack of sunlight, but also from insufficient calcium. Means if doses are not been sufficient regarding the calcium based diet, moreover if calcium is sufficient but sunlight is lacking to your body and you are not exposing yourself to sunlight, then this could be happen. Thus, it is solely said vitamin D is associated with calcium absorption. Rickets generally having the disturbed gesture wherein bowed legs is the results as you seen in the pics. Some myths and misconceptions are also been associated with the sunlight. Whenever we are using with the sunscreen lotion in the summer days and moisturizer in the winter days, moreover when we covered our body with the clothes, and moreover whenever we are having sufficient sunlight from the glass pane of our car or from any of the window where the sunlight touches to our body but passing through the glasses, then even the vitamin D3 form is not been fully available to us. Now, the third fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin E, commonly known as tocopherol. It is also known as antioxidant vitamin, also pronounced as anti-sterility vitamin, and lastly, it is also its contribution as anti-aging vitamin. Its sources are wheat germ oil, poultry, swine, and cereals. This vitamin has its role as antioxidant, so it prevent the oxidation of fats, thus minimize rancidity, especially in case of polyunsaturated fatty acids. Because of its role as an antioxidant, it minimizes the rancidity issues among the fats and hence maintain the stability and beneficial characteristics of unsaturated fatty acid, and preferably for the polyunsaturated fatty acid. Generally, we announce them with the term PUFA as PUFA, provided in cosmetics besides the food application and among all skin application products with soap, shampoos, conditioner, and sunscreen lotion. Its preventive action generally recognizes by way of minimizing the free radical chain reaction among the body. The next is vitamin K. Vitamin K, generally known as phyloquinone, it is written as vitamin K1. It's two more categories, just as like K2 and vitamin K3 is also been there. Vitamin K2 is menaquinone, vitamin K3 is menadione. It is one of the anti-hemorrhage vitamin, originally identified also as one of the fat-soluble factor required for normal blood clotting. This is the only vitamin among all water and fat soluble vitamin categories that having its water and fat soluble form. Menadione is one of the most active form, actually works by activating blood clotting proteins. It could be obtained from shrimp, fish, and other dietary sources, that is liver oil and intestinal synthesis itself. Deficiency symptoms include blood loses its power to clot, or the time needed for clotting is longer, and serious hemorrhage can result from slight wounds or bruises. It works to synthesize prothrombin, thus act as anti-hemorrhagic vitamin, because prothrombin on conversion to thrombin in presence of calcium, it make a clot, and hence whenever an accident or some hemorrhage to the outer skin will be happen, it make a clot in a short time manner. Thus the blood that is oozes out from that wound or that hemorrhage portion, it could be avoided and stop. Next category is water soluble vitamin. Among the water soluble category, we have B complex vitamin. Actually, all the B categories of vitamins are associated all together and clubbed together in a single term, B complex. These are all the metabolic factors that help in the metabolism of carbs, proteins, and fats. So, among them, first vitamin is vitamin B1, commonly known as thiamine. It functions to regulate metabolism of carbohydrate and helps to metabolize glucose. One of the best sources is asparagus. Otherwise, all the beans and whole grain seeds are having best to best thiamine among them. Its deficiency includes nervous disorder, beriberi issues. Beriberi can cause harm in two ways. It also categorized among two categories. One is wet beriberi and dry beriberi. Alcoholics are more deficient in vitamin B1 because alcohol sometimes hinders the absorption of carbohydrates. Second vitamin among the vitamin B complex category is riboflavin. Hence, it is also known as vitamin B2 and commonly as vitamin G. It is meant for the metabolic degradation of carbohydrate, proteins, and fats. Its sources are plants, bacteria cells, yeast, milks, and dairy byproducts. Its deficiency appears as cataract, vision issues, and crooked limbs. It works also as a coenzymatic factor wherein the flavin mononucleotide and flavin adenine dinucleotide. Generally, all the categories of vitamin B complex, they are responsible for the metabolism of carb, protein, fats. Vitamin B3, that is niacin, the third category B complex vitamin, it is one of the most stable vitamin. It is responsible for dementia, dermatitis, diarrhea, and lastly to casualty, that is death. Dementia is a memory disorder issues, dermatitis is a skin issues, diarrhea is the water loss from the body, and lastly death means cease of all the body organs and systems. It functions as transport of hydrogen ion as NADP and NADPH. One of the most stable vitamin known is the vitamin B3, as I already announced. Its sources include yeast, rice bran, and rice polishings. Deficiency symptoms appears as pellagra, dermatitis, and anemia. Vitamin B5, vitamin B1, B2, B3. Now the next vitamin is B5. B4 is not exist anywhere. B5 is known as pantothenic acid. It works as coenzyme in various reactions necessary to synthesize coenzyme A, essential for metabolism of carbohydrate, proteins, alcohol, and fats. Its so simplest sources are yogurt, egg, and meat. Deficiency is exceptionally rare. Fatigue and irritability sometimes happens. Next is vitamin B6, that is pyridoxine. It works as neurotransmitter and coenzyme in over 100 reactions. Exists in three forms, that is pyridoxine, pyridoxal, pyridoxamine. Pyridoxine is much stable than other forms. It serves as a cofactor in many enzymatic reactions to metabolize amino acid, glucose, and fats. Thus, we are sure that it regulates the metabolism of proteins, carbohydrate, and fats. Its sources are milk and grains. Deficiency symptoms triggers neurological symptoms and ulceration to the body. Next vitamin is vitamin B7, and it is known as biotin and vitamin H as well. It involved in the fatty acid synthesis. Deficiency causes skin disease and hair loss. Deficiency symptoms rarely occur for vitamin B12 and B7 both. Antibiotic uptake or longer duration antibiotic intake causes its deficiency. Next is vitamin B9. Vitamin B9, also known as folic acid or folacin, recently shown as very important for pregnant females to avoid birth defects. Functions as synthesis of purines, pyrimidines, and nucleic acids. Its sources include fruits and vegetables. Generally, recognition for iron sources or folic acid sources, fruits, they generally get deepened, darken on to the cutting and on to the exposure with the environment or oxygen. Next is the non-veg stuffs. Deficiencies, anemia. Next vitamin is vitamin B12. This is one of the last vitamin among the B complex category. Vitamin B12, also known as generally cobalamin, but its cyanocobalamin and hydroxycobalamin forms are also associated. Cobalamin having the general efficiency to club with cyanide group, convert to itself to the cyanocobalamin class, and the hydroxyl group is there, then cobalamin has the affinity to bond with the hydroxyl group, and hence hydroxyl cobalamin is the result. Functions as coenzyme in metabolic reactions, maturation of erythrocytes. Deficiency symptoms are generally vitamin B12 is required for normal functioning of brain and nervous system. Non-vegetarian peoples having least symptoms regarding the vitamin B12 deficiency. Its sources include meat, fish, and dairy. Natural synthesized vitamin that synthesized by the intestinal bacteria itself. Beside all these vitamin B complex category, we have some more associated forms which are categorized under the vitamin category, and among them vitamin P, that is the general name for the flavonoids. Similarly, vitamin F, this is also announced for the fatty acids. Vitamin O, that is carnitine. Similarly, vitamin S is the name for the salicylic acid. Vitamin G is the common name for vitamin B2. Vitamin H is for the vitamin B7. Among water soluble category, we have one more vitamin beside B complex category, that is vitamin C. It is also known as ascorbic acid. This is one of the least stable vitamin among all the vitamin categories. Deficiency symptoms, none demonstrated in livestock. Human deficiency is sometimes severe. Scurvy, that symptomizes as swollen and painful joints and bleeding gums, and brittleness of bone sometimes happens with the deficiency of vitamin C. Dryness of skin is also associated with the vitamin C deficiency. Its sources include citrus fruits, tomatoes, and leafy vegetables. Thank you, students. So this is all about the vitamins. Thank you.